Hi, I'm Margaret, and today I'm making these lovely little breakfast muffins. I'm going to make them as healthy as possible. I've removed the flour and I've used oats, and I'm not using any refined sugar in this. Instead, I'm using the sweetness of the bananas. These are really ripe, and the riper bananas get, the sweeter they are. And the sweetness, the natural sweetness in the honey. To help them to rise, the bicarbonate of soda reacts with the lemon juice and creates little bubbles, and salt for flavour. You can see those little bubbles already starting to form. The crunchy peanut butter gives a beautiful taste too. So let's whiz that together. These are so easy to make and a great little breakfast treat. Let's scrape that down from the sides a little bit. Make sure all of the oats are incorporated properly. And then once they have, we just need to add the blueberries, and these I'll stir in. We don't want them blended. We want to have those little pops of flavour when they're baked. This mixture should be enough for 12 cupcakes, and I'm filling them about 3/4 full. Trying hard not to get any on the edges because they might burn in the oven. On top I'm popping some nuts, chopped up, a few seeds will give a nice bit of crunch, and a few rolled oats. Just sprinkled on top, they will toast nicely in the oven. And finally, a couple of blueberries on top of each. Then into the oven they go for about 20 to 22 minutes, and they come out beautifully golden brown. Let them cool a little, but they're very nice warm, and you can also have them cold. I like them with fresh yoghurt. Look how gorgeous and moist they are inside. Yum. All those lovely blueberries. Just a nice dollop of Greek yoghurt, and that's a real treat. So thanks for joining me this week. Have a great one as always. Take care, and I'll see you next week for another breakfast treat.